This is a 99-cent life hack, you guys. Listen, leftovers. We got steak, chopped up steak. We got our Roman noodle shrimp, our alfredo sauce, mozzarella cheese. Yum. We put all of this together separately from the Roman noodles. I added a little water because it was getting sticky in the pot because I put the cheese in there too. But shit was going down. It was looking good. Then I decided to put it all together. Right? I'm going to put it all together, but look at that. Look, yum, yum. I put the little seasoning packets on there, little, shrimp, sriracha shit. I was trying to be cute, trying to be fancy, but it wasn't coming out the fucking bottle, so, you know what I'm saying? I had to do some ghetto shit. Tap, 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 tap. Shit was kind of hot. I'm not going to lie. It was spicy. I used too much. Yum. Look at that. Yummy. I'm really into this. Talking about some fucking mushrooms. I don't even know goddamn mushrooms. But the shit was good. All I needed was some mushrooms. This is a 99-cent. Yum. Yum, yum. That's what be going on in my head when I be eating and shit. Kill Bill and shit. I don't know why. Anyway, yes, this shit was good as hell. Life hack for your ass. Period. The fuck? Yes! It look good, that motherfucker. Purr.